Hi guys, welcome to Teja Tech YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you how to create table and how to insert data into a table. Okay, I will show the syntax of creating table. How to create table. What is the syntax? Syntax. First to create. This is the DDL command. You know, right? This is the create is a DDL command. Okay, create table. Okay, table name. What is the table name? You can enter that name. Table name. Table name and open parenthesis. Here enter column. COLU column 1. And what is the data type? Enter the data type of data. Next size. Type data type size, comma. Next enter column 2. Next data type of data. Next size of the data type. You can enter like this also enclose with close parenthesis. This is the way of creating table. What is the create is a data create is a command. What is that command? DDL command. And table name. Next column 1. What is the data type size. Column 2 type data type size. Okay, this is the syntax of the creating table. Okay, now I will show practically how to create table and how to insert data into a table. Okay, we can insert data into two ways. We can insert data in table two ways. I will show how to insert data into a table with simple methods. Okay, now I am going to open Oracle run command. This is SQL command. Okay, already I have created two users. So one is the Shiva and one is the Teja. Now I am connecting to one username Shiva. This is one of the user. I created two users, right? My password is Tiger. Okay. Now I connected to user. Okay. You want to show how many users are in your database? You can use this command. Show user. I created one user. I is connected with one user. Okay. Now we want to see how many tables created in your Oracle database. You can use select star from tab. Okay, already I created two tables. One is the student database details and one is the student information. Okay, now I want to create one more one more table in database. Okay, how to create a table in database? Create table. Table name is I am taking student details. Student details. Open parenthesis. First student number. Student number. What is the data type? Number data type. What is the size? I am taking size 4. Next F name. F name is first name. First name of the student. I am taking data type varchar. Varchar 2. Varchar 2. varchar 2, I'm entering size 15. Okay, what is the difference between varchar and varchar 2? Okay, varchar is a combination of characters and values. Okay, it is okay. But varchar and varchar 2, what is the difference between? Varchar 2 is it is if you entered here size 15. Okay, but you entered name is name alphabets is 10. Remaining 5 alphabets is there. That space returned to the hard disk. But varchar, it occupied completely space. It not returns to the hard disk. That is the main difference between varchar and varchar 2. Okay, next LM. What is the LM? LM varchar 2, varchar 2. I'm giving size 20. Next to data of birth, next to data of join, next to fees, sorry, data of birth using data type. Date data it is one of the data type data. Next to DOB data type, DOB data type. Okay, next to next to fees number I am taking because the fees is always in numeric values. Number number is I am taking float value 6.2 because of few numbers are every always not in integers, sometimes it is float also. So that is the reason I am giving 6.2. Then I am entering gender. Next to gender gender is a character data type. Character. Okay, gender is a character. We getting get column name, duplicate column name. Okay, no issue. I will change the table name because of I already used student details. Already I created student table, so I am entering another student student details detail one. I am entering column name student date. I am entering table name student details one. Student details one. Entering column name. Entering column name. See what is the error you are getting. Create table student details student number 4 F name next to L name date of birth data because of we entered two times date of birth, that is the reason it is showing error. Okay, it is always SQL is always case sensitive. Okay, date of join, I am entering date of join. Now you will see, yeah, now table is created. Okay, na, because of already we entered two times date of birth, that is the reason we are getting the error code. Just already one table is created. Now how to insert the data into a table? We have two ways to insert the data into a table. I will show that two ways with simple syntax. Okay, now to insert into student hyphen det1 det1 next stud student number comma f name first name comma last name l name comma next data of birth data of join next to what is the next to fees next to gender. These all are column names. Now I am entering values. What is the student number? I am giving number 1001. 100 1. Next to student name. Okay, student name string always open with single quotation and enclose with single quotations. Okay, I am giving name Jinka Pawan. Jinka Pawan. Okay, enclose with single quotations. And second first name is Jinka Pawan and last name is Kumar. Okay, next what is the date of birth? I am giving date of birth 12 next to June next to 1999. Okay, I giving date of birth and date of join 13 September 2022. I given date of join. Then I enter fees. What is the fees? Fees. I am giving fees 5,000. 5,000. Okay. Then I enter what is the gender of Pawan. He is male. Okay. Always enclose with close with parentheses and quotations. Okay. Enter. Quotation starting not properly terminated. Quotation starting properly not terminated. We are getting error. We will show it. Insert into student detail one, student name, F name, last name, date of join, date of birth, fees, gender values 1001. Next we given Jinka Pawan. Next last name Kumar. Next to date of join given. Next to date of birth given. Yeah, here we forgot give the single quotation. Here date of join. Now we will see we will run this syntax. See, one row is created. This is the one way to create. This is the one way to insert data into a table. I will show another way how to insert data into a table. This is the second method. Insert table name student detail one. Okay, next to ampersand yes to student number next to single quotations. Using a person we can insert data into a table. This is the simple method to insert data into a table. Next to a person, next to yes name comma, next to single quotations person, l name l name l name comma, next to what is next to date of birth. Okay, date of birth single quotation person, date of birth dob dob dob, next to single quotations person, date of join single quotation include single quotation join, next to person fees, next to select or next to gender, next to single quotations person gender. This is the second way of inserting data into a table. Okay, now the second way of inserting into a table. Now you can enter here enter value of student number. I will enter 1003. Enter. Next to enter value for s name, I am entering Pati. Next to what is the student last name, enter value for l name Venu. Next enter the date of birth. I am entering 12 2000 12 May month and May month 2000. Okay, next date of join when he joined. Giving example only. Date of join June JUN and 2000 2020. Okay, what is the fees? The fees of student 0. Okay, what is the gender? It is a male. Table student details Pratibhenu online missing into keyword. Where you missed a keyword. Student insert table student name. Yes. Yeah, we forgot to give enter the value. Here I have to enter. This is a value is the keyword values. It is keyword. Okay, it is a keyword. Values is a keyword. Insert is a command. What is the command? DTL command, and the value is a keyword. Now we enter. It is asking again. I will give again student details. 1003 student name Pati, last name Vino, next date of join 12, date of birth GUN 200, next date of join 12 June June 2020, entered, and fees is 3000 3000. Next gender male, missing into keyword. There is no space, so that is the reason it is giving error message. And here no space. Here no space. Values. Enter 1003 002. I'm giving Shiva. Mr. Teja. Enter date of birth something 12 12 June 12 June 12 June 2000 date of join 12 May 12 May 2022. Fees level 0. General mail. It's a table I given table name student details missing into keyword missing into keyword. Given correct why it is showing again error. Let's see. I think here no space. Insert table. Sorry. Here insert into not to table. Yeah, missing into keyword. Sorry for this. Here we have to enter keyword. Yeah, insert into not table. Insert into student details values. Okay, insert we given before student insert table not table. You have to use into keyword. Okay, here now we will see what is the news 002. Next to name Vati. Next, what is the last name? Feno. What is the date of birth? Date of birth 12 June 200. Next, date of join 22 May 2022. What is the fees? 3000 something I give it. Next, mail. Yeah. Now, how many rows created? Two rows are created. See, here one row is created using this comments using this syntax, and here one row is created, here one row. Okay, we have two ways to insert data into a table. We have how many ways? Two ways. Okay, now we will see how many users are created in your database. select star from tab. See how many users tables are created. One, two, three. Three tables are created. Now you want to know details of student details one. You want to know student details one table information. You want to know student detail one table information. Now select star from what is the table name, student underscore det1. Yeah, we forgot parents. Yeah, next star from student details one SQL command not properly. Okay, I select star from details. See how many users, how many students we created in the student data one details one. See two students are created in student data details one data table. Okay, how many two students are inserted into table? Totally two students are inserted into table. This is the way of inserting data into a table. Okay, no issue, you can try more times. So if you get errors also you will learn more. Okay, okay, that is the agenda is today. Okay, thanks for watching, please subscribe. Bye.